This is lesson 89, number 4. Find the arc length and area of a sector with the given radius and central angle theta. I like to draw a picture. The arc length and area of a sector. We don't know the angle, so I just have to fake an angle. You know, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna call it theta. And the radius is 12. Oh, theta's 150? Well, that doesn't look like 150. Should I redraw it? No? So 180, I don't know. So, well, I don't want to confuse people. We'll just say that's 150, and that's 12, okay? Now, does anyone have any idea? Find the arc length. Does anybody know what, or do you guys know that this is the arc length, this distance right here?
Is it the formula theta over pi r?
Over pi r?
Yeah. I don't know.
Well, actually, if I didn't know the radius, or if the radius was 1, then I would just say that the arc length is 150. Well, you know, that doesn't even make sense. The way I would do this problem is, I know that the whole perimeter of the whole, well, not the perimeter, I know the circumference of the whole circle. I can get that by going 2 pi r. Does that ring any bells with anybody? I want the circumference of the whole thing, and then I'm going to divide it, or I'm not going to divide it, I'm going to multiply it by 150 3/60ths. Why 150 3/60ths?
Because you're only taking 150 degrees from the whole 360.
Yeah, it's like, if this were half, I'd say 180 out of 360 or whatever. Like, and then I would just take my answer and divide it by 2. But this isn't really a half. This is 150 3/60. I'm going to reduce that down to 15 36s, and then I think I can do 3s. I can like divide it by 3s. So if I divide 15 by 3, I can get 5, and I can divide 36 by 3 and get 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 5/12 of 2 pi r, because 2 pi r is my circumference. 2 pi r gives me the whole way around. Okay, so 2 times pi times, what's r? Oh, it's 12. So that'd be 24 pi. Okay. Oh, look, I can do fraction math. So now I have a 12 down here and a 24 here, and so I don't have to like bust out the calculator just yet. There's 5 times, that's 10 pi. I can call it 10 pi, or I can remember that pi is 3.14, and it just be 300, or yeah, 31.4, yeah. So, approximately, you know. That is the arc length. Is that what they asked me for? They asked me for a couple different things. Find the arc length and area. Now these were, I think, feet, and I didn't label it. Okay, so there it is. That's the arc length. So now let's find the area. Well, we already have a nice fraction for, we know that it's not a quarter of a circle or half a circle, it's 5/12 of a circle. So all I'd have to do is go 5/12 of the area of the circle. Does anyone know a formula for area of a circle? It's got pi in it. Yeah, pi r squared. Pi r squared. I'll just do it over 1 since I'm doing fraction math. And r was 12. So it's now we got 5/12 times 144 pi. But I should have noticed that earlier. Yeah. 12. 5 times 12 is 60. I got 60 pi. I don't really know what that is in decimals, but I mean, I could figure it out if I want to.
188.4.
Ah, okay. So that's, or 188.4 feet squared. That's the area. of sector. That's how you do it. And so, if I do this too fast for you and I'm like crossing numbers out and you don't know what's going on, you can rewatch it if you want to.